Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Back to the pool, wrap up a few more talking points there, because if you get our annual homeowner handbook, you've probably seen this before. Ian's featured as a featured partner, and you can flip forward to June. We get a lot of feedback on this because, like, why do you have a picture of somebody drowning in your homeowner handbook? I'm like, no, that's a leak detector.
Yeah, watching the guys do their leak detection in a pool is quite fascinating. We get a lot of compliments on the guys. It takes about 4 to 5 hours to thoroughly test the average pool. And yes, being underwater for 30 minutes to 60 minutes at a time in scuba gear is part of the process. So yeah, it's quite the process. If you've never had a test done, I highly encourage it. Every customer should get one done at least once every 5 to 10 years. I wouldn't say yearly, but certainly a couple times in a 10-year period.
And so what this image is illustrating, we talked about plumbing leaks. This guy's looking for structural leaks in the plaster.
In the pool, yeah. In that photo, definitely. He's swimming around and dye testing pipe seals, mud rings, light rings, waterline tile area. He's looking through the entire shell of the pool to see if anything's pulling in dye.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.